Alright everyone, it's time to unbox the Pixel 6 and the Spigen Ultra hybrid case that I have and a typical glass protector that I got from Amazon Canada. Now I know there have been tons of unboxings already and this video is probably going to tank pretty hard, but I still wanted to make this unboxing video because I'm really excited about the Pixel this year. It's the first time Google has made an effort to stand out and really deliver well with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Now I also have the Pixel 6 Pro coming in a couple of days, but for now we'll go ahead and unbox the Pixel 6. Now, like I said, this is the first time Google has made an effort to kind of make the Pixel stand out amongst all other smartphones, and that is visible from this design itself. On the first time this was leaked, I was a huge fan of it because it is unlike anything else in the market. And as you can see, this three-tone color with the kinda coral configuration is looking really damn sweet. And at $599 US, this is the best Android phone I think you can buy at this price point. Now let's go ahead and peel off the sticker. And yeah, it's a pretty huge phone at 6.4 inches, but I am kind of used to huge phones for now. So we'll go ahead and keep it to the side. Let's keep the box to the side as well. Oh, let me just show you the contents of the box. Nothing exciting, there's just the USB-C cable for charging, USB-C to USB-A adapter for transferring the data, and the usual books and paperworks. No Team Pixel stickers, which I am a little bummed about, but I'm not a part of Team Pixel, so it's alright. And I also have the Pixel 2 XL that I've used for 3 years, just to compare the sizing of this phone. And they're almost similar in size. Obviously, this is a bit heavier because of the larger battery, the huge camera bump, but so far, this phone is looking pretty damn sweet on the outside. Now, I will turn it on later on, transfer my data, use it daily to make a review, so be sure to subscribe for that. But let's keep it to the side and get the Spigen case right here. Now, obviously, if you want to show off the color of the phone and the design, it's best to get a crystal clear case, and that's what I usually do with my phones. Now, let's go ahead and the case. All right. So I guess this is their own charger that we can buy. We'll keep it to the side. And this is the case itself. Now they do have some plastic wrap around the case in order to protect it from, I guess, fingerprints and everything. So we'll go ahead and remove that to the side and remove from the inside as well. Looking pretty damn nice. So let's go ahead and use the phone. All right. Wow, it is looking pretty nice, I would say. It is showing the design of the phone as well as the color, and the buttons are still plenty clicky. The power button, nothing on the right side, and there are the perfect cutouts for the speaker, the charging port, and the mic as well. And the camera bump is protected more than well enough too. So overall, this is a great buy. Now I did buy the same case for my Pixel 2 XL 4 years ago, I guess, and you can see it has held up pretty well. It is yellow, so any manufacturer that says they have anti-yellowing properties in their case is basically lying. They all yellow over time, but I guess that's something that's a part of this industry. So yeah, keep it to the side. And so far, I would say this case is amazing. It does provide good protection to the front of the display as well. So there is a nice lip around it. And it is pretty solid, not adding too much bulk to the phone. So I will go ahead and get the screen protector as well. So I will put it on the phone and then I will continue the video. So I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so welcome back. I do have the screen protector installed and I also turned on the phone. I couldn't resist myself from doing that. And here is the case as well. The screen protector looks really nice, but I wish it went a bit more further to the edges. I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, but I will try to give you guys some close-up shots. But overall, it's pretty responsive. And let's go ahead and unlock the phone. And this is the Pixel 6. It's looking really damn nice. That 90 hertz display is something else. I wish it would have been 120 hertz, but for 599 or $800 Canadian, I am not going to complain at all. And like I said, I am in love with this design. I can't wait for the Pixel 6 Pro to arrive anytime soon. And it's pretty responsive. I am loving the Android 12 feel as well. The Material U design is something amazing. And yeah, as always, I will have the link for the case and the screen protector in the description down below. These are not sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for that. These are just the products that I liked. So if you do like it, consider subscribing. Go ahead and buy these products. And I'll see you guys in the next one.